Here it is with the ditch lights on as well. Give you a better look. So I should have complete coverage.
Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Big kicks, big drops, let's go, go, go.
What's up everybody, it's Jamie with Destination Bigfoot Bronco, and today we're going to do another part of the install series where I'm going to be installing the new DV8 dual drop mount lights that go on the A-pillars for the ditch lights. This is my existing setup here. I've got just a single 4-inch rigid 360s on here with the mountains to metal bracket, and we are going to be installing this here. So we're going to dig into it and go ahead and get started. Okay, first off, we want to take a 13mm wrench and go ahead and loosen up the existing light that I have on here, the 360. Okay, now that I've got that unscrewed, I'm going to set this off over to the side a little bit here. And then I've got my antenna mount here for my GMRS. So I'll go ahead and get that removed also and get that transferred over. Okay, once that's loosened up, you can go ahead and get that removed. Set that off to the side. And let's see. I'll go ahead and get this removed as well. Looks like it's got some set screws here that I got to get loose. Okay, got that removed. Take this bracket off and go ahead and clean off where everything was mounted at before. Okay, now we bring the DV8 plate over and line it up with the holes that are there on the top. And my plan is to reuse my mountains to metal single light bracket, place that on top like so, and then mount my light there, and then still have room for my second light on the drop. Okay, now that I've got all this set up in place, see how I got it mounted there. I've got the antenna bracket, the top light mount bracket from mountains to metal, and then the DV8 bracket here. Okay, now that I've gotten those all tightened up, I'm going to bring the 360 light back over and get that tightened up, and then we'll work on the drop light. Okay, got that all tightened up. Now we'll bring the drop light over and get that installed. Now this piece is completely optional, but I might put it on there, and I haven't decided yet, but I might end up mounting the GMRS antenna onto that. But I'm going to go ahead and put this on here like so, and then bring my light over and get that tightened down and put somewhere close, somewhere in this area like that. And that's with the drop light on. Okay, I got it installed. I'll put the antenna here, and then I just put a little hole across up top here, which I'm going to seal off, and then ran the wire down to here, which will run to my Auxbeam switch setup that I have here. Okay, now that you've got your wiring run through, I just got one of these weatherproof triple quick connects and connected it to the 3 wires, which has your backlight, your positive and your negative. I'm just going to connect it to the harness that it came with, run it over to the other side and connect it there, and then make my connection at my control box. Here is the kit I got off of Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description. It's got all the weatherproof connections, the tool for removal, positive, negative, weatherproof sealant, 3-gang, 4-gang, and 2-gang. Oh, and also a single gang. Okay, now we make our connections. Make sure that you match up the white with the white, black with the black, and red with the red. There we go. Make sure it clicks. Good there. Now we go into the other side and match everything up. There we go. And that's made. Okay, we've got the backlights wired up along with the regular lights, so let's check and see.
Rolling deep in the dust, 4 wheels and a dream. Chrome kicks up the dust, engines start to scream. Signal lost, but we ride, no map and no phone. We're chasing legends, not going home. Turn up the bass before it shakes. Neon lights in the night awake. Echoes of the unknown grow. Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Big kicks, big drops, let's go, go, go. Hit that trail with the beat in tow. Hands up high, feel the wild unfold.
And here it is with the ditch lights on as well. Give you a better look. So I should have complete coverage. Let me know what you think.